Alright family, welcome back. Let's get real, really real. We're about to embark on a journey to see crypto in a whole new light. Every day, you're bombarded with endless predictions about where Bitcoin is headed, a constant stream of opinions and forecasts. To the moon, or utter doom and gloom, the end is nigh. It seems like everyone claims to know the secret, the magic formula. But here's the truth, the unvarnished, unfiltered truth. The real edge, the sustainable advantage, isn't in blindly guessing the future. It's in deeply understanding the present market conditions, the here and now. Obsessing over price predictions is a trap, a dangerous game, especially for newcomers just finding their footing in this space. It inevitably leads to emotional decisions, rash choices driven by fear or greed, chasing pumps fueled by FOMO, panic selling dips at the worst possible moment, all because someone's crystal ball turned out to be hopelessly wrong. So what if you stopped trying to predict the unpredictable and instead started investigating the underlying factors? Think of yourself as a market detective, piecing together clues, not a fortune teller gazing into a hazy future. You wouldn't buy a car, a major investment, just because some slick salesperson yells that it'll be worth millions in a few years, making wild, unsubstantiated claims. You'd pop the hood and check under the hood, wouldn't you? You'd want to know what's really going on. Crypto's no different. In fact, it demands even more scrutiny. The constant noise of predictions, the endless speculation distracts you from what truly matters, the core elements that drive value. The project's fundamentals, the underlying technology, the strength of its community, and the real, verifiable blockchain activity. Let's put away the crystal balls once and for all, and focus on the clear, actionable signal amidst the noise. This is about equipping yourself with the right tools and knowledge to accurately understand the market's overall health and direction, not about trying to time it perfectly. An impossible feat. Knowledge is what separates informed, savvy investors from reckless gamblers. It keeps you grounded in reality, and ultimately helps you navigate the complex world of crypto with confidence and clarity. Ready to see the market from a completely different perspective? Let's dive in and unlock a smarter way to approach crypto. For beginners diving into the world of trading, the allure of price predictions can be incredibly tempting. It's easy to get caught up in the idea of knowing where the market is headed next, but relying solely on predictions is not only unreliable, but also potentially dangerous to your capital. It's a risky game to play. Your biggest risk in the market isn't simply a lack of money to invest, it's a lack of context and understanding of the underlying forces driving price movements. Without context, you're navigating blind. Relying on predictions, especially those from external sources, essentially means you're just blindly following someone else's guess without any real conviction. You're not developing your own understanding of the market dynamics, and that's a critical disadvantage. Instead of chasing fleeting predictions, non-predictive analysis grounded in data and understanding is your true edge. Instead of trying to guess future prices like reading tea leaves, shift your focus to understanding why the market moves the way it does. Delve into the underlying causes and factors at play. This fundamental shift in perspective puts you firmly in the driver's seat of your trading decisions, empowering you to use real-time data and comprehensive analysis to make informed decisions. It's like learning your ABCs before attempting to write a novel. You need the foundational knowledge first. You must understand the basics of market behavior before trying to predict its complex movements. Ask crucial questions like, how many people are actively using the network? Is capital flowing into the asset, indicating buying pressure, or is it flowing out, suggesting selling pressure? What's the overall sentiment of the community surrounding this asset? Is it positive, negative, or neutral? While these answers won't magically reveal tomorrow's exact price with certainty, they will provide invaluable insights into the market's true underlying state and health. When you dedicate yourself to analyzing data and understanding market dynamics, you anchor your trading decisions firmly in logic and reason rather than being swayed by fleeting emotions or unfounded hype. And that's the most valuable skill you can cultivate as a trader. So, how do you become a market detective? You need a toolkit. First, on-chain analysis. See real blockchain data, active addresses, transaction volumes, long-term holders. Next, sentiment trackers. Gauge the market's mood on social media or with tools like sentiment, volume, and exchange flow trackers. Watch trading volume and whether coins are moving onto or off exchanges. News aggregators. Stay updated on headlines that drive narratives. And finally, blockchain explorers. Verify transactions and track big moves yourself. These 5 tools give you a 360-degree view of the market. In the world of crypto, having the right tools is essential, but remember, tools are only powerful if you truly know how to use them effectively. It's not just about having access to the latest software or platforms. It's about understanding how to interpret the data and apply it to your trading strategy. Let's say Ethereum's price dips unexpectedly. Instead of immediately panicking and making a rash decision, take a breath and check on-chain data. Ask yourself, is ETH actually moving off exchanges in significant quantities? If so, that's a sign of accumulation, not widespread selling. Smart money might be buying the dip. Now, what if a project is pumping significantly? If sentiment tools are flashing signals of extreme greed indicating that everyone is overly optimistic, then be extra cautious. Euphoria in the market often precedes corrections and pullbacks. What about news of a big partnership announcement? Before jumping in, check the trading volume. If it's surging alongside the price increase, the move likely has conviction and real interest behind it. Always use a blockchain explorer to independently verify if major wallets are actually involved in the activity you're seeing. What if someone claims a whale just sold all their Bitcoin holdings? Don't just blindly believe it. Take the initiative to check the transaction details yourself on the blockchain. Remember, each tool only gives you a piece of the puzzle, a single perspective. You're not relying on mere guessing or speculation. You're actively confirming information. This data-driven approach allows you to cut through the noise of hype and misinformation that's so prevalent in the crypto space. You're building a real, informed picture of what's happening, not just chasing a fantasy or a dream. Focus on context, not just making predictions. Understanding the context is your true edge in the market. That's the foundation for how you make smarter, more informed decisions in the long run. So, with these principles in mind, let's keep going and delve deeper into the world of crypto analysis. Think like a doctor, not a fortune teller. On-chain data is your blood work. Are new users joining? Are holders confident? Sentiment and volume are the pulse and temperature. Are people greedy or fearful? Is volume strong or weak? A price spike on low volume? That's a weak pulse. Be skeptical. A price drop with strong fundamentals? Maybe it's just a healthy correction. Diagnose the market's health, don't just react to price. Use your tools to find the cause, not just the symptom. That's how you stay rational in a volatile space. Here's the bottom line. Crypto isn't about making wild bets on predictions. The real alpha is building knowledge, using your toolkit to investigate, learn, and spot patterns. This knowledge compounds and becomes your permanent advantage. Crypto is a long game, not a get-rich-quick scheme. The winners are those who understand the tech, the sentiment, and the flow of capital. Shift your goal from getting rich to getting smart. Informed decisions follow naturally. You stop chasing hype and start navigating with confidence. Forget the crystal ball. Pick up your toolkit and start building your knowledge today.